Hello, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet? Okay, so first and foremost, you're going to need to open your Trust Wallet, launch the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device, access the app browser, so tap the DApps browser icon at the bottom of the top bottom of your screen here. So select exchange, choose a decentralized exchange like DEX, like PancakeSwap, or a centralized exchange CEX integrated with your wallet, and connect your wallet. Basically, once you connect your wallet, you can just buy any type of cryptos from there, like this one, and you could trade for crypto to crypto, or you could also just buy it directly with your tangible cash that you have. Hopefully you have set it up your account here. So that's just it for the end of this video. So I certainly hope that this short video is of any help for you guys, and thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and yeah, you guys have a nice day.